In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to cart on Alibaba 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a product, select the right options, and add it to your cart with confidence. Start by going to Alibaba's website and logging into your account. Being logged in ensures your cart saves properly across devices and that your selections won't disappear if you switch pages. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top and type in what you're looking for. Be specific with keywords to narrow your results. When you see a product that looks promising, click it to open the full product details page. On the product page, take a moment to review the photos, specifications, and key details. This page is where you'll choose exactly what you want to buy. Select the color, size, or variant that matches your needs. If there are multiple models or materials, make sure you choose the correct combination before moving on. Next, set the quantity. Pay attention to the MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. This is the smallest number of units the supplier allows you to purchase. For example, if the MOQ is 50, entering a quantity below 50 won't work. Adjust your quantity to meet or exceed the listed minimum so you can add the item successfully. Once your options and quantity are set, click the Add to Cart button. After you click, you should see a confirmation pop up letting you know the item has been added. That confirmation is your signal that everything went through and your selections have been saved. From there, you typically have three choices. Continue shopping if you want to keep browsing and add more items. This is useful if you're building a larger order or comparing similar products. Choose View Your Cart to review what you've added so far. In your cart, you can double-check variants, update quantities, or remove items before moving forward. If everything looks good and you're ready to move ahead, select Proceed to Checkout. This takes you into the next stage where you'll finalize the order details and get ready to complete your purchase. That's all there is to it. Log in, search, open the product page, choose your variant and quantity. While respecting the MOQ, hit Add to Cart, and then decide whether to keep shopping, review your cart, or proceed to checkout. Follow these steps and you'll be able to add items to your Alibaba cart quickly and accurately every time.